Hey guys, I am so honored to be here with Katie Ward talking about her series Structure. We're installing this May 1st, and we are today, May 1st, and we are going to be having it up through the end of June. And we will have an opportunity for the first Friday in June to come and celebrate it in person. We also will be open limited hours throughout May. You can look for more details on our website or on Instagram to kind of get our hours. We wanted to make sure you had a virtual opportunity to kind of see the show. Katie's been working on it for over a year.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, one of the pieces in the show has been 3 years in the making.
Yeah,
so
pretty incredible.
That's the rest have only been a year.
Yes, but
they're
well,
my shorter
only
pieces.
a year. Yes, but still, she's been really putting her heart and soul into this show for over a year, and so we didn't want to delay you guys seeing it, and we're just so excited to be revealing it here online with you. Katie, the name of the show is Structure.
Yes.
But when I look at these pieces, and we'll show you more here in a bit, they're very full of like movement and light and kind of almost a sense of like flexibility and motion. So can you talk a little bit about the dichotomy of those two ideas, structure and then the pieces themselves?
Yes. So I do find the human form to be the most fascinating form in the world.
We're miracles.
Yes, definitely miracles. And dichotomy is something that just has fascinated me for about a decade now. And in particular, the dichotomies that we as humans kind of dwell within us, or that we sit in. And so one of the main dichotomies I find is that the human form is such a structured form. There's a lot of order to us, and that's the only way that we can work. And actually, from person to person, there's a lot of commonality and structure, just as a human. But then each individual is different from the other individual, and then within ourselves, we also flux and change and grow. We lose aspects of ourselves, and we gain other aspects, and so there is a lot of motion within an individual, and within that very rigid structure of a human body.
Yeah.
So my pieces are trying to capture that in a painting.
Right. Well, let's talk about that a little bit more in depth. We're going to take a brief pause here